Is your LG TV screen suddenly darker on one side? Don't worry, I've got 9 methods to help you fix this issue right at home. Step 1. Check the HDMI cable. A faulty or loosely connected HDMI cable can cause signal issues, leading to half of the screen appearing darker. Try replacing the cable or switching to a different HDMI port on your TV. Step 2. Test the backlight. If your TV's backlight is failing on one side, it could cause the screen to appear darker. Go to the TV settings, navigate to the picture mode, and increase the backlight settings to see if it brightens up. Step 3. Update firmware. Sometimes, a simple software update can resolve screen issues. Check if there's a firmware update available for your LG TV and install it through the settings menu. Step 4. Adjust picture settings. Sometimes, incorrect picture settings can cause one side of the screen to appear darker. Go to the picture settings and reset them to the factory defaults. Then, adjust the brightness, contrast, and sharpness settings gradually to see if it resolves the issue. Step 5. Run a pixel refresh. LG TVs have a built-in pixel refresher that can fix uneven brightness. Navigate to the TV settings and look for an option like Pixel Refresher or Panel Refresh, and run it to even out the screen's brightness. Step 6. Test with different sources. The issue might be related to the input source. Switch to a different source, or try streaming content through a different app to see if the issue persists. Step 7. Perform a soft reset. Unplug your TV from the power outlet. Wait for about 10 minutes, and then plug it back in. This can sometimes resolve minor software glitches causing the screen issue. Step 8. Check for external interference. Other electronic devices near your TV, like speakers or Wi-Fi routers, can interfere with the screen. Try moving them away or turning them off temporarily to see if the screen brightens up. Step 9. Inspect the T-con board. The timing control T-con board might be failing, which could cause uneven screen brightness. If you're comfortable opening your TV, check if the T-con board connections are secure. If unsure, it's best to consult a professional technician. If these methods don't resolve the issue, it might be time to consult with LG support or a professional repair service.